are you doing, Smiley?
Oh, you're not going to believe this. I thought, we're here for a few weeks. I'll take these domes off, give them a good clean.
What are domes?
Domes, the domes for your roof. These
Oh, your
domes.
roof lights?
Yeah. I'll take them off, give them a clean. I'm on my third one. Look at it. It is lovely and pristine. It was all black and horrible. So I get back on the roof and I'm just putting the first screw in and a gust of wind took it and smashed it into smithereens.
Uh-oh.
So I looked at it for a few seconds and then I let out a loud shrill with a few expletives. It went a bit like this. Grr. Grr, grr. I was not best pleased. Obviously I blame the wind for not giving me an extra 20 seconds. But actually it was me. You don't go on the roof in the windy conditions, do you? So now I've got to repair it with fibreglass. Fibreglass. Get yourself some. Go down Alfred's. Get some fibreglass. What you get is you get the matting. This is fibreglass matting. Am I in the picture? It's fibreglass matting. Some resin, which is already in there, and a little tub of hardener. Right? So what you do, first thing you do, is get some heavy duty sandpaper, and you've got to give it a good rub-a-dub. That's what I'm doing now, rub-a-dub. This provides the key. Right?
What's the key?
It makes the glue bond to the plastic. Have a look at that. Look at that. I was not happy. Anyway, we can fix it. So,
Just call you Bob the Builder.
just call me Bob the Builder. Heavy duty sandpaper. Give it a good rub. I super glued the bits back together yesterday. And now I'm going to apply the sandpaper. So you cut it to shape.
Not the sandpaper, the fibreglass.
The fibreglass, yeah. So you cut it to shape like that. That'll do for me, cocker. So now I can mix, out of the way, I can mix the glue. So with this stuff, you need very little, like a little splodge. Watch. Coming close. 2 or 3 drops, that's it. It's better to use a brush, but I haven't got a brush, so I'm just going to use a dowel. I think it came from an ice cream. And that should be more than enough. Okay. Now we just whack it on. All over where you want to put the fibreglass. Like that.
I can see why the brush would be easier.
Brush would be easier, yeah. I haven't got a brush. Make sure you get a nice coating of the glue. Like that. That should do. That's on one side. Now you get the fibreglass and you slot him in place like that. Press it down. Fibreglass will go round bends. So just make sure you use your dowel. Just get that in there like that. And then you apply more glue on top of that.
And what does that do?
Because I'm going to put another piece of fibreglass on top
Okay.
for extra strength.
And this is just as a hold until we can get back to the UK for a new...
This will be strong enough to keep it going for the next 10 years.
Oh, that's pretty good.
But if you want to buy a new one, you can, and this will be a pretty good fix.
And how much do you reckon a new one would cost?
The new one, this is a 400 by 400 remis, and Leisure Shop Direct have got them on sale for 88 quid plus that.
Okay.
I was quite happy with that, to be honest. I was expecting £200 or £300, but
So this isn't something you have to order from your dealer?
no, you can get it from Leisure Shop Direct. Right, okay. So that is that. Cut yourself another piece, make it slightly smaller. That goes on top like that. And again, use the glue to cover it all up.
And I can see that there's one next door that you did yesterday in true Blue Peter fashion.
Yeah, that one there. Rock solid that is now.
So how long did you leave that for it to get so solid?
Overnight, probably 24 hours.
Okay. And that was okay to be able to put back up on the roof in the meantime?
In the meantime, yeah.
So how did you secure it given that it was still drying?
Just with duct tape.
Okay.
So it didn't fly off in the wind. So just dab that down into the bend like that. That is sweet as a nut. I'm running out of glue, so I'll need a bit more. So I'm going to go mix a bit more glue. When that's set, it's going to be rock solid like that. Fibreglass. Always take some with you, because this is the toilet cassette. That's fibreglass from 2016. Solid. Okay? See you later. So here we are, the morning after the afternoon of fiberglassing. I'm just going on the roof now to see if it's done the job. Here it is. Let's take it off. Yeah, that is nicely solid. That's going nowhere. So all we do now is get a Stanley knife, trim all these bits off, and put the damn thing back. Another quality video from DIY on the road by Smiley Miley. Very happy boy. See you later.